Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can use Photoshop online free. If you don't have any Photoshop software but you want to edit any image, then you can go to photopea.com. Okay, I am right now in photopea.com. From here you can select new project, open from computer or PhD template. So let me open from my computer. Let me open this image. Here is the image. Now how can I edit it? Let me show you. If you want to delete background, just click on this and then background will be deleted. Then if you want to brush tool, this is the brush tool. So here from here you can do anything you want to. Let me delete all the thing I did. Now if I want to download it, there is a PNG. Click on this PNG. It will be saved as PNG. Here is the PNG file. If you open a new file, click on this file and click on open and select your full file. This is your file. Okay, now I want to add some word here. Let's click on this and then nature, nature. I wrote nature. Okay, now let me delete it. If I want to flip, I can do by so I hope you understand how you can Photoshop your photo online free. If this video help you, comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.